All right, these complex fractions, part A. When we see this, this really means negative 8 over 21 divided by 12 over 35. So I'm going to take that negative 8 over 21 multiplied by the reciprocal of the bottom. So I go ahead and I multiply there and flip the bottom. Now, just like I've been doing, I'm going to go ahead and say, oh, the 8 and the 12, I can take a 4 out of those. So that's 2 and a 3. 21 and 35, I can take a 7 out of those. And that gives me a 3 and a 5. And I do that because it's way easier to take 2 times 5 and get 10 than it is 8 times 35. 3 times 3 is 9. And then it's a negative and a positive, so it's a negative. Much easier to simplify those and multiply than it is to have to do the big numbers and then put it in lowest terms. Same thing here, m over 3 times the reciprocal of the bottom. Now nothing cancels out sideways like I did before, so I multiply across the top and get 2m, multiply across the bottom, get 3n. On C, I go through bit by bit. I do what's in the top, 8 times 9 minus 7 times 6. So 72 minus 42 over 30 minus 18. I go ahead and do those multiplying. 72 minus 42, that's 30 over 30 minus 18 is 12. Now 30 over 12, put that in lowest terms. They're both divisible by 3. Actually, they're both divisible by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And then in part D, same kind of idea here, step by step. 8 times, I'm going to do 9 minus 2 minus 4 times 14 minus 9 over 7 times 5 minus 3 times 7. 56 minus 20 in the numerator, doing the multiplying. 35 minus 21 in the denominator. 56 minus 20 is 36. 35 minus 21 is 7. No, it's not 7. That is 14. Those are divisible by 2. Put them in lowest terms. It's 18 over 7. And you can just leave it like that. Be careful with this. Multiplying and dividing fractions are pretty easy. Just don't try to do too much at once. Take your time, and you'll get to the right answer each time.